Open Blender. Press Shift plus. Add a cube. Press the period key to zoom in on the cube. Press the letter N to open a panel on the right. Change the size and position of the cube until you get the desired dimensions. Now press Shift D to duplicate the cube. From the top right corner, click the grid icon. You will see the wireframes of the cubes you add. Scale down the duplicated cube until it becomes inside the first cube. Another cube and adjust its size and position so it becomes inside the other two cubes. From the list that shows the objects, hide the first and second cubes and keep only the last cube. From the top left corner, choose face mode. Select the top face of the cube. Press I and inset it slightly. Then press G plus E and lower the inset face a little. Press tab again. Add a cylinder. Adjust its size and position. Add another cylinder. And adjust its size and position. When you want to scale an object on the X and Y axis while keeping the Z axis unchanged, just press S, then Shift Z. To get the best result when snapping one object to another, follow these steps from the top bar. Choose active element, then enable snapping and choose vertex. Place a second cylinder on top of the first one and it will snap automatically. Then press G plus Z and move it until they align. Now we will make some adjustments to the cap. Press tab and select the top face. Then press E plus Z and pull upward. Then press S to scale. And after that press I. Repeat this process several times until you get the shape you like. Press Shift tab. Press Shift tab. Press Shift plus. Press tab. Right click and choose shade smooth to get smooth and nice edges. And apply this to all objects. Now a few simple steps to get the best glass material in Blender. Go to shading, select the first cube, click new, then delete, prints, delete BSDF and add glass BSDF, then connect it. Select the second cube, which represents the inner glass layer, and repeat the process. The third cube represents the perfume liquid, but I will make it glass and add a color. Now select the cap, add some adjustments, add a color, and repeat the process for all cap parts. Some issues may appear in the glass during rendering due to face orientation mismatch, so we will fix it now. Go back to layout. Press tab. Enable face orientation from the corner. Then press Shift Pun in and enable the option shown below.
Great camera angle in Blender. Move the object to the angle you like. Then press Alt, Clim, Sheet, Row, and the camera will snap to your current view. Now how to add professional lighting. Download HD highlights from any website or from Blender's library. Then on the left click World and Color. Then choose Environment Texture and open the file you downloaded. Now we will make the edges of the objects look realistic during rendering. Go to Modeling, right click and choose Subdivide. Repeat this several times for each object. Then go to Modifiers, click AD Modifier, choose Subdivision, and increase the value under render. Repeat this for each object. Now we will add some adjustments to the cap. Select the cap and hide the other parts. Select demodifier and choose Slaughterify. Increase the value until you get the desired thickness. Now it's time to set up the render